Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm at the annual Stamfordham bike show today, organised by the local branch of the VMCC. And what a fantastic turnout we have today. Glorious weather. And here is my beautiful Norton Commando, which is, of course, the most beautiful bike here, although I'm not at all biased. And here is my friend Ken Hart's Triumph T140. Lovely bike. Great guys, Ken. He's got a YouTube channel worth checking out. Got some really interesting old videos on it. I'll put the link up on the screen. I don't know if I can get close enough to show that, but that's very interesting. So this is a Z900 RS. Lovely, beautiful looking bikes. But look at that. It apparently has twin shocks on it, but it's still got the monoshock underneath, so I think they must be dummy shocks. Interesting. Have a look down the other side. Wow. Yeah, get a little video of this one as well. So it's nice CB 1100, lovely retro style, like that with the chrome on it, the chrome mud guards. Beautiful. Lovely bike is that. Very nice. Yeah, it's a lovely little machine here. Gorgeous. Nice condition as well as this one. Looking very nice. Very nice. Next to some Nortons.
That would have been the original colourway of the. Obviously, it's been restored, but I wonder if that would have been the original colour of it anyway. Or if
it was made for the military, yeah. That's in nice condition, isn't it? Lovely, very nice. Just don't know which way to turn for all these lovely bikes around here. Wow.
Seen all in about?
Nice video footage here of my mate George's Commando. Absolutely immaculate is this bike. Beautiful, beautiful. And a lovely shovel head Sportster here. Gorgeous looking. Very nice. Just look at these velo sets, aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. It's quite an amazing show. This everywhere you look, there's something interesting. A bit of Americana creeping in here, I think, with the bagger, the big wheel. Lovely little Yamaha behind that. Gorgeous. Always had a soft spot for those. This is a very tidy CBX, being carefully guarded by its owner, I see. Yeah, looking after it, because it's nice condition is this bike. I can remember when these Z1000s came out, a couple of my friends bought them. I was green with envy. One of the nicest things about this show is that even though it's organised by the Vintage Classic Bike club, it's open to all bikes, all bikers, which just gives it a really kind of inclusive feel, which I think is excellent. I think it's great that they do it this way, because we've just got so many nice bikes here and so many great people turned up here today. Even the scooter boys have turned up here today. Oh, that's a nice T140 here. Very, very similar to mine. That's the V model though, mine's an E. I just love this Moto Guzzi here. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? Just been talking with the owner. Really, really nice guy. It's imported from the States, this one apparently. He's not had it long, but it looks really nice. If you're not sure where I am, Stamfordham is just a little village in Northumbrian, and as you can see, it's a very small place. Don't know what the locals make of us all turning up like this, but it's a lovely, lovely venue for an event like this. Now that's a very tidy old Harley. That is beautiful, isn't it? What a gorgeous bike. And behind it, a very nice Kawasaki as well. Pair of super bikes these. Lovely. So this is just a very quick look at some of the wonderful bikes here at the show. Thanks for dropping in, taking a look with me. I just love the mix of bikes here. It's wonderful. Anyway, cheers.